Like my house, you know, this one.
Alright guys, so we are here at Little India now with my friend Khalil and we're gonna have some mutton curry.
Masakan dia apa, man? So these are the dishes that we ordered for today. So John is holding up the mutton curry, mutton masala they call it. Side dishes they rotate on a daily basis based on what they purchase from the market. Today they have like this potato poriyal. It's like a dry curry finished with a bit of grated coconut, and this is the Indian version of cream spinach. So I'll add a bit of everything.
So this is the perfect bite.
Yeah.
After we finish our meal, we're gonna go get some mutton at Tekka. Then after that, we're gonna go back to the studio and recreate this.
Alright. Ding 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 ding.
We are back.
Mutton curry is more of like, you know, an occasion or like a celebration dish. It takes a long time to cook. Once in a while only you get to enjoy this kind of very authentic home style cuisine. There are many different styles of curries and, you know, cooking based on individual family recipes. So I just decided to add some potatoes here, so it's a little bit more substantial, and the potato will help to thicken the curry. For the dry spices, we have chili powder, cumin, coriander, turmeric, some yogurt, and John's atas pink Himalayan salt. Peppercorn, cinnamon sticks, clove and cardamom. You can start to smell, it's getting aromatic. Toss a bit.
Just to show off.
Yalah, mas lah.
Ooh, what's a good mutton curry to you?
Something that is very well balanced in flavour, not too heavy in spices. Chopped tomatoes, we just fry them for about 4 to 5 minutes. You'll start to release some of the moisture and it will break down a bit. So with the yogurt in, I will reduce the heat slightly. After this, we will simmer for about 20 minutes to half an hour. Then we will add the potato for another 15 minutes or till the potato is cooked through. We'll be back in a while. Welcome back. It's already thickened up. Just a bit of salt. We don't need to add pepper because earlier we already fried it with whole peppercorns. Yeah. Turn off the fire and it's ready to be served. So this is what we have achieved in the past 1 hour.
Got a nice acidity to it from the yogurt. Do like, share and subscribe, and if you enjoy watching Cooking with Khalil and John, let us know in the comments what you want us to cook next.